Excuse me. That was huge this time. I did it. I burped so loud. Ooh, there, boy. There, boy. I did it.
Sisters, huh?
Oh no. My stomach hurts if I'm gonna burp multiple times. Too much soda. Too much. Chill out. Oh my god. I think I drank too much soda, even though I drank a burp. Even though you drank a burp?
Yeah, look 10. At least 10.
Oh my! Hold on, I think I saw another one coming out of me. No, I don't want my burp to fill up the whole world. Oh no, here it comes. I see. Too much. Too much soda for you. Yeah, too much. I'm gonna burp again. I drank so much soda. I'm gonna start burping. That's it for now.